All right, dividing fractions. Dividing fractions is actually very, very quick because all we're going to do is convert our division problems into multiplication problems. So if you have not done the multiplication video or you do not know how to multiply fractions, you want to complete that one first. Okay, but here's how we go with dividing fractions. So what we do is you take this second number and you flip it. So it's 3/8 times 4/6. And then now you can multiply as we did in multiplying fractions, which means you can multiply straight across and then reduce, or what I like to do, reduce first and then multiply. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So 3 and 6 had a 3 in common. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 8 and 4 had a 4 in common. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And if you don't remember why we can do this, again, equivalent fractions. You can multiply by any number top and bottom or divide any number top and bottom other than 0, and it'll give you an equivalent fraction. All right, let's try it one more time. Should I let you guys try them? Why don't you try them first, see if you can figure them out, and then if not, I'm going to go over them anyways. So hit pause now and give them a shot. Okay, so let's see what you did. This is 14/5 times 25/7, and now it's a multiplication. That's all you have to do is flip the second number, we get multiplication. Now we can reduce. 7 and 14 both contain a 7. 5 and 25 both contain a 5, so we get 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 1. And then now we can multiply straight across, and that's 10 over 1, which is 10, a nice number. All right, the next one, you should have done negative 26 over 9 times, what do you do? You can't flip a negative, right? It's just 3/2. And just to get rid of the negative, what is a negative times a negative? It's a positive, so we can now just ignore it. All right, so the 26 and 2 both contain a 2, and that would give us 13 and 1. The 3 and the 9 both contain a 3, so it's a 1 and a 3. Which gives us 13 over 9. Yes, we're going to leave it as improper. All right, next one. Well, this one looks a little tricky, right? But what you can do is locate, there is a division line that's a little bit bigger. And this is our division right there. There's actually 3 of them. We're getting 5 divided by 6, 3 divided by 12, and then that quantity. Remember we did order of operations. Divisions are considered groupings, and that's one of the reasons why you want to think about it. There's a parenthesis there. And so what we end up with is 5/6 divided by 3/12, which allows us now to flip our divisor. And we can now reduce. 5 and 3, nothing, but 6 and 12 both contain a 6, which gives us 10 over 3. And that's what you should have gotten. These are 3 different types that we have. We have a basic, we have negatives, and then we also have a complex fraction. Now let's look at the next thing, which is mixed numbers. What do you do with mixed numbers? Well, it's the same thing we did with multiplication. 3 and 1/7 really means 3 plus 1/7 divided by 3/14, which is very complicated. So that's why we convert all mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 3 and 1/7, we use our rule, which is multiply, add, to give us 22 over 7. We can then take that 3 and 1/7 and replace it with 22/7, 3/14, and then we use our rule, which is to flip the divisor, reduce 7 and 14. Always put the 1 there because you don't want to forget about it too. And then multiply. So that's 44 over 3. And then again, you can convert it to a mixed if you would like. 44 divided by 3. Which gives us 14 and 2/3. Your choice, improper or mixed. Alright, so give them a shot. You're going to take each of these, convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions, and then flip the divisor, reduce, and multiply. Those are your steps. And if you forget them, they're all 3 right there. Flip, oop, Wow, there's 4 steps. I messed up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to convert, flip, reduce, and multiply. Hit pause now and give them a shot. And there's your answers. So we converted the mixed number to an improper. So 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5/3. Flipped it, reduced, multiplied straight across. Converted the mixed number to improper, flipped our divisor, multiplied, and there's your answer. We couldn't reduce this one. 3 and 6 have a common factor, but they're on the same line. Has to be top and bottom, right? That's our equivalent fraction rule. All right, thank you.